What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Gonna do something a little different. We're gonna have a voiceover video here. Welcome to the 25th PA All Breeds Jeep Show in Carlisle, Pennsylvania at the Carlisle Fairgrounds. First year in Carlisle. Let's hit the obstacle course right off the bat. You come through the gate and you've got a log crossing. It's about a 4-foot drop in between the logs. You do obviously have a spotter. He gets you right across, no problem. From here on out, you're kind of on your own with the exception of the rock piles. You come off of the log crossing into the hills. Now these will sort of check your, number one, your climbing ability. Number two, I have a carbureted Jeep, so we don't want it to stall out on the hill with the angle. And since I upgraded to that Motorcraft carb, that's not an issue. And here we have a approach angle / departure angle as you come down a steep bank, and it goes right into a banked turn. As you come around the bank turn, you're lining yourself up with a set of what I call offset moguls, basically mounds of dirt that are offset. This is going to cause your suspension to articulate, whereas in a solid axle vehicle, the left tire will say goes up, the right tire goes down, and the opposite occurs in your rear axle. Out of the offset mounds or moguls, you come into another high banked corner. Coming out of this, the next obstacle is sort of like whoops if you watch motocross, just a series of ups and downs back to back. This is a true test of your approach and departure angles on your Jeep. As you come down in between, you obviously have to start going up the next. Now my flagpole holder, which you'll see at the end, actually we left that on for the last day of the obstacle course, and it was dragging at the bottom. So just that little bit of added wheelbase length really caused an issue there for the departure angle. Over here it goes to 3 different rock piles. You have a black course, a blue course, and a green course. Now we were approved to go on the blue, however I wasn't confident in that, plus I had to drive my Jeep home both days. We didn't want to break any axles or anything, so we went to the green rock pile. It's not a difficult obstacle. You know, there are some larger rocks in there, but generally speaking, it was fairly flat. Just a few sticking up that you're bouncing over, working your way around. Nothing that would require lockers or anything like that. Obviously, in the obstacle course, it was in 4-wheel drive. Previous years, they made you put it in 4-low. So this year I did the same. I put it in 4-wheel low, and absolutely no issues at all on the obstacle course. We had a blast, and truly appreciate all the work and effort that they put into building this obstacle course for us to enjoy. So the 3 rock piles come out towards the exit, and you just kind of merge together and work your way towards that gate. Best part is unlimited passes through the obstacle course. You can go right back, do it again as many times as you want, and obviously to get all the different camera angles, that's what we did. So the next section here, I'm just going to let the audio play, and you guys can enjoy the first person point of view. then lastly, we're going to leave you with the Jeep parade footage from Sunday afternoon at the closing of the event. All the Jeeps lined up that were still there, paraded around the fairgrounds, and we'll let some music play. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you all at the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.